One last thing I wanted to show you in Photoshop is cropping and resizing. The neat thing with Photoshop is that you can really make it what you want it to be in terms of how you crop things in or move things around. So here is one of Jim's pictures, his sports pictures, and he often wants them cropped in a certain way to where you see all the action. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Use this tool up here, like a box with a slash through it. That's the cropping tool. When you select that, you can see you can click and drag in from the left and right, top and bottom. So he likes to get in close to the action, but we want to probably keep some of the basketball net here so you can see that they're coming in. He's coming in for a dunk. And we're going to bring it in on the right, just to the side of this guy's foot, and then bring up the bottom. General rule is to kind of keep enough room at the bottom and at the top, so you can always crop in closer and cork, but you can't really bring it back if you crop off too much. So leave enough room to where we can work with it, zoom in or out if need be. Another thing is, the horizon is really off kilter. You can see there's quite the slant on the floor. So what I want to do is tilt things so it's a little bit more even. So just by hovering here in the corner, I'm able to get the tool to kind of slide it at various angles. So you can see here it's in a grid, which is nice because you can see your floor line up perfectly with the grid. Now you have a perfectly level horizon line. Hit enter, locks everything into place. I click on M, it deselects your marquee, and so I'll show you again. So if there's the marquee, I want to get rid of it, just kind of click to the side. If you want to get rid of your crop, you click M. All right, so here we are, a nicely cropped picture, and then we'll color correct, save, and done.